I'm not very happy. I'm not happy. As you all know, the news that is circulating, I actually woke up this morning to see the news everywhere. You know, seeing that a young guy was sentenced to life imprisonment, in fact, sentenced to death penalty for stealing a chicken, a fowl. Yeah, the same chicken and fowl that you know. You know, this is about 14 years ago. You know, he was sentenced to die for stealing a chicken. Allegedly though, because he pleaded not guilty at that particular time. You know, that was 2010. Yes, just less than about 24 hours ago, if I'm not mistaken. The whole thing went viral on social media again. The mother went on social media to complain. But to start from, you can't tell me that this guy's mother and the father have not been everywhere for the rescue of their son for a while. You know, when things like this happen with the country where you and I came from, obviously the mother must have been to different kind of churches, praying here and there, or been to different kind of herbalist homes and all that. I've spent excessively, you know, for this particular case for the past 14 years for our son or their sons to be rescued. But they could not help her, they could not help him, they could not help none of the family. Guess what helped this boy now? Social media. The mother now decided to go on social media to cry out that the only son where I get did prison for the past 14 years, they are about to execute him. They call on Governor Adeleke in Osun State, the current governor of Osun State. Listen, guys, within 24 hours, wonderful governor, Governor Adeleke, responded to the cry, the plight of the people. Stop the death penalty for this young man. As we speak right now, we criticize the government all the time. I'm part of the people that criticize the government all the time if they don't do well. But I'm also saying, if they are doing well, we should talk about it. I understand some of you might be skeptical to talk about this now because you think, oh, all of them are bad. Yes, I'm part of the people that have criticized them. But with this, I want to say a big thank you to Governor Adeleke for rescuing, for giving this guy a second chance to live again. I want to let you guys to understand that going to social media is very, very good. Listen, it's the only place that we have right now we can cry to. If it comes to our government, they don't listen to us. If a guy can be sentenced to die, death penalty, by hanging for stealing chicken, fowl, what happened to all our satanic politicians that have been stealing, looting, relooting our resources since Nigeria was created? Yaya Bello allegedly was accused of stealing over 100 billion naira. He was taken to the court. A couple of days ago, I reported it on my media that Yaya Bello had been granted bail of 500 million, half a billion naira. In case you don't get that, let me put it in the way you get it. Because not everybody understands when we're talking. Yaya Bello is just like someone who steals 100 naira. They now ask this person to pay 2 naira to be free. Yes, Yaya Bello was accused allegedly of stealing Ojibole, stealing over 100 billion naira. Court granted him bail a couple of days ago with half a billion naira. Somebody who stole chicken and eggs was sentenced to die in prison. Come on now, Nigeria. I've told you guys severally that our laws are selective. Very, very selective. Our law are selective. The law was actually designed to favor the satanic elites and to suffer, to impoverish, to suffocate, to oppress, to intimidate the poor. And that's what we are facing in Nigeria. But most Nigerians will still go on comment section to attack some of your submission, instead of us to be holding our leaders accountable, calling them all out. If they have the power to silence the social media, they will do it. They've done it in the past. Have you forgotten? During the satanic Buhari's regime, yes, they shut down Twitter for about a year or two. I can't remember. But I understand they shut down Twitter at that particular time. Popularly known now, recently known now as X. If our leaders have the power to shut down every social media platform, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, YouTube, they will do it overnight. Because they know, they don't want you to drag them on social media. If not that the mother, the parents cry to social media, that boy would have been executed. May God bless Governor Adeleke of Osun State. I'm very, very grateful. May God bless you, sir. Continue to stand for what is right. Whenever you do anything wrong, we also call you out. Now, so we they do one for NAIJA Watch Media. We know they look face. But at this particular time, you're doing well. And I'm very, very proud of you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you.